Treating this highly concentrated, potent superfood exactly like a standard scoop of protein powder guarantees a harsh, upset stomach. Today, we are going to build a safe, foolproof daily routine using your ancient Vedic Moringa Leaf Powder. Before we begin, gather your materials: your package of powder, a precise 1/4 measuring teaspoon, and your preferred liquid base. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a perfectly mixed dose ready to drink, alongside a clear strategy to integrate it over the long term. Mastering this exact preparation method takes a highly potent supplement and turns it into a comfortable, gut-friendly daily habit. Looking at the right side of the ancient Vedic label, we see its foundation rests on traditional, holistic wellness practices, specifically naturopathy. Panning over to the benefits section, the label details how these traditional methods provide broad nutrient support, highlighting vitamins A, C, and minerals. However, extracting these benefits safely requires us to apply modern, highly structured dosing. We cannot simply guess the amounts. The center of the packaging reflects this updated approach, displaying certification badges that verify safety standards like pure ingredients and environmentally conscious recycled materials. Applying precise modern constraints to ancient holistic ingredients makes the supplementation more effective while preventing adverse biological side effects. Step 1. Take your measuring spoon and portion out exactly 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon. That is roughly 1 to 2 grams of powder. This graphic compares that tiny 1/4 teaspoon to a massive 3-teaspoon pile. The biggest trap beginners fall into is starting immediately with that larger volume, simply because it is listed as a common safe range. The human digestive system requires a gradual adaptation period to process high-density nutrients. A smaller dose creates a smooth, gentle biological absorption curve, whereas a massive dose spikes and overloads your digestion. The manufacturer explicitly confirms this. Looking closely at the dosage block on the label, it recommends a conservative start at 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. Now, take your measured powder and mix it thoroughly into your chosen liquid base. To ensure this sticks, anchor this new supplementation step to a routine you already complete daily, like your morning hydration or preparing breakfast. Starting with a strictly controlled microdose builds the habit immediately, avoiding the physical friction of stomach pain. Before you take that first sip, pause. We need to evaluate your personal health criteria. The warning section on the label lists explicit medical contraindications. You must consult a doctor before consuming this if you are pregnant, taking blood pressure or blood sugar medications, or have thyroid issues. There is a dangerous assumption that because a product is labeled 100% natural, it cannot interact with prescription medications. That is entirely false. With safety confirmed, let us move to the final physical task: properly sealing your container to protect the powder's integrity. Sun-dried organic powders degrade rapidly when exposed to their two biggest environmental enemies, excess heat and ambient moisture. Avoid the common mistake of leaving your supplements sitting on an open kitchen counter near a hot stove. Instead, store the tightly sealed package in a cool, dark pantry. Looking at the storage instructions, keeping the powder cool, dry, and sealed guarantees a stable shelf life of 12 to 18 months after opening. Executing these strict safety and preservation protocols ensures your immediate physical safety while protecting your financial investment in the product. You have successfully prepared your perfectly measured dose and secured your packaging for long-term storage. Sticking strictly to this precise 1/4 teaspoon starting point is the exact mechanism preventing the digestive distress most new users experience. This initial dose provides the foundation for daily natural energy and more robust immune support. This calendar graphic plots your scaling strategy. Maintain this exact microdose for exactly 7 days. On day 8, and only on day 8, you may attempt to increase your intake to 1 full teaspoon. Respecting the physical potency of this powder and following a structured daily routine turns a trendy superfood purchase into a permanent, lifelong foundational health practice.